Hello, welcome to the RAS University, a learning center to help you grow on the RAS. In this video, you will learn about free shipping campaign and how to participate in it. The free shipping campaign is a timed sale that allows customers to enjoy free shipping on their orders. Log into your Seller Center account with your registered email ID and password. Go to the Promotions tab and click on Campaign Management to view promotions. Click Join to participate in any open promotion, or scroll down to view promotions on your Seller Center homepage. Click Join to participate in any open promotion. In both scenarios, you will arrive at campaign's basic information, where you can view the promotion or campaign's period and criteria. Read the criteria carefully and join the free shipping campaign. The criteria changes for every campaign. Click on Join now. You will have to select the budget for your free shipping campaign. Now let's learn how you can register and add products to join the free shipping campaign. You just need to click on Register Now and it will lead you to this page. For product submission up to 100 products, you may click on Add Product manually. Anything above 100 products, we would recommend you to use Mass Upload via Excel. To add products to promotion in bulk, Step 1. Use the Export button to download the list of eligible SKUs. Step 2. Update the campaign price and stock number, and then use the Import button to upload your SKUs in bulk. In order to add products to promotion manually, Step 1. Click on Add Product manually. Checkmark the box to submit your product. Step 2. You have to choose which product you want to submit for the free shipping campaign. Step 3. Enter campaign price. This price needs to be the lowest possible compared to all other campaigns you have joined in the RAS. Once you are done with everything, you can then click on Submit to apply for the campaign. This is where you can check your status for the product that have been submitted. Pending review. Products waiting to be approved. Approved. Products that have been approved. Your campaign stock and price have been approved, so you can check the allocated date and time from here. Rejected. SKUs that are rejected by the RAS. Rectify these SKUs and resubmit your products so that these can also be included in the free shipping campaign. Thank you for watching the video.